Hello friends, welcome to SRS Biology tutorial. I am Samyanjan Singh. Today we will discuss about deamination. Deamination is the removal of amino group from the amino acid as ammonia. During this process, the amino acid is converted to alpha keto acid. Purpose of deamination. Deamination provides ammonia for urea synthesis and alpha keto acid which act as a biosynthetic precursor. Deamination may be two types, oxidative deamination and non-oxidative deamination. Oxidative deamination is the liberation of ammonia from the amino group of amino acid along with oxidation. This process occurs in the liver and kidney. This process involves two types of reaction such as oxidation and deamination. This is one example of oxidative deamination in which glutamate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate by enzyme glutamate dehydrogenase. Glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme utilizes either NAD plus or NADP plus as coenzyme. During this conversion of glutamate to alpha ketoglutarate occurs through the formation of an intermediate alpha immunoglutarate. Then regulation of glutamate dehydrogenase activity. Glutamate dehydrogenase is a zinc containing allosteric enzyme. It has 6 identical subunits. It is present only in the mitochondrial matrix. It is inhibited by steroid hormone, thyroid hormone, GTP, and ATP, whereas it is activated by GDP and ADP. Oxidative deamination by amino acid oxidase. There are two types of amino acid oxidase such as L amino acid oxidase and D amino acid oxidase. These are flavoproteins possessing flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenodinucleotide respectively. They act on corresponding L and D amino acid to liberate alpha ketoglutarate and ammonia. Non-oxidative deamination. Some amino acids are deaminated to produce ammonia without undergoing oxidation. This type of deamination is called non-oxidative deamination. There are four types of enzyme participate in this process: amino acid dehydrase, amino acid desulfohydrase, histidase, aspartate. Amino acid dehydrase. The ammonia is removed from the amino acid along with dehydration. This reaction is catalyzed by pyridoxal phosphate dependent dehydrase. The hydroxyl amino acid like serine, threonine, and homoserine are deaminated by this enzyme. Amino acid desulfohydrase. The ammonia is removed from the sulfur containing amino acid along with desulfohydration to give keto acid. A hydrogen sulfide is also liberated in this reaction. Deamination by histidase. Histidase enzyme acts on histidine and liberate urocanate and ammonia. Deamination by aspartate. Aspartate enzyme act on aspartate to produce